Good morning, dear students. How are you? Okay, let's start our class. Today I am going to teach you addition and subtraction together. If addition and subtraction is coming in one problem, in one question, then how can do that question? Okay, let's start that class today. Addition and subtraction together. Then remember one thing, that we always add at first. If addition and subtraction is there in one question, at first we have to add the number, we have to do addition, then only we have to do subtraction. Okay, I am giving a question, that time you will understand. Question will be like this way: from the sum of 7172 and 2456. Once again I read it. From the sum of 7172 and 2456, subtract 5564. I told you have to find the sum, you have to do addition at first. Okay, then which number and which number we have to add? That is, we have to add 7172 and 2456. I am doing that first. 7172 plus 2456. Okay, in any question, if subtraction and addition is coming together in single question, you have to find the addition, you have to find the sum at first. Ready? Then how can find the sum of these two number? That is 7172 plus 2456. First step, draw a line. Then we have to start from ones place, that is from right side. That is 2 plus 6. What is the answer? 8. Then 7 plus 5. I told you 7 in your mind, 5 in your hand. Then count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the answer. Here 12 is 2-digit number. Then how can write that 12 here? I told you to write 2 is there and 1 carried to next place, that is hundreds place. Okay, now let's do hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is 2, then 2 plus 4 is 6. Then at last let's do thousands place. 7 plus 2, 7 in your mind, 2 in your hand, 8, 9. 9 is the answer. So it is the sum of that two number, it is the sum of that two number. So we have to subtract from the sum, from this number we have to subtract that 5564 from the sum, that is from 9628 you have to subtract 5564. I am writing that number, 9628 minus 5564. How can do that? 9628 minus 5564. First step, draw a line. Next we have to start from ones place, that is 8 minus 4, that is 4. 8 in your mind, 4 in your hand, 7, 6, 5, 4. 4 is the answer. Now 2 minus 6, can you subtract 6 from 2? No. What is the reason? 2 is less than 6, so we can't subtract 6 from 2. Then what will we do? We have to borrow. We have to borrow 1 from next place, 1 from next place, that is from 6. So that 6 will change it to 5. That 6 is giving 1 to 2. Then 2 will change it to 12. Now subtract 6 from 12. 6 from 12. So answer is 6. Then let's do hundreds place. 5 minus 5. This 5 minus 5, what is the answer? 0. That's everyone know. That's any number subtracted from that number, we will get 0. That is 5 minus 5 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay, now let's do thousands place. That is 9 minus 5. 9 in your mind, 5 in your hand, then count back. 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, 4 is the answer. It is the final answer. Ready? Okay, I'm giving one more question to you. Listen carefully. This one. Subtract the sum of 4,267 and 3,339 from 9,265. I told you have to find sum at first. You have to add at first. That is 4,267 plus 3,339. We have to do addition at first. I am adding 3,339. First step, draw a line. Then 7 plus 9. What is the answer? 60. You have to do like that. Then 16 is 2-digit number. Then what will we do? We have to write 6 in ones place and 1 carry to tens place. Now let's do 1 plus 6, that is 7. 7 plus 3, that is 10. So 10 is 2-digit number, so write 0 there and that 1 carry to hundreds place. Ready? Now this one, hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3 plus 3 is 6. Ready? Okay, then at last let's do thousands place. That is 4 plus 7. 4 plus 3, that is 7. Okay, it is the sum of that two number. It is the sum of that two number. We have to subtract the sum. We have to subtract the sum, that is this number 7,606. We have to subtract this number from which number? That is 9,269. So let's write from which number we are subtracting. Let's write that number at first. That is 9,265 minus that number, this sum 7,606. Okay, I'm writing 9,265 minus 7,606. At first we have to draw a line. Ready? Then 5 minus 6. Here this 5 is less than 6, so we can't subtract 6 from 5. Then we have to borrow 1 from this 6. So that time the 6 will change it to 5 and that 5 will change it to 50. Ready? Now 15 minus 6. 15 in your mind, 6 in your hand. Count back, you will get 9. Then 5 minus 0, this 5. 5 minus 0. If you are subtracting 0 from any number, you will get that number itself. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 0 is 8. Here 5 minus 0 is 5. Now let's go to the hundreds place. That is 2 minus 6. Can you subtract? No. What is the reason? 2 is less than 6, so you can't subtract 2 from, you can't subtract 6 from 2. Then what will we do? We have to borrow 1 from next place, from 9. That time that 9 will change to say 8 and that 2 will change to 12. Now 12 minus 6. 12 in your mind, 6 in your hand. Count back, you will get 6. And 8 minus 7. Okay, what is the answer? 1. It is the final